The world we live in is full of wonders. Some are breathtakingly beautiful, others are frightening, and many are simply unbelievable. Today, we'll explore 5 natural phenomena so strange and mysterious that you might think they belong in a science fiction movie. Yet every one of them is absolutely real.
Imagine walking along the beach at night and seeing the ocean glow like a sea of neon lights. This magical sight is caused by tiny organisms called plankton, which emit light when disturbed. Every time a wave crashes or every time you step into the water, millions of microscopic sparks light up, painting the shoreline with an otherworldly blue glow. Sailors throughout history have described these glowing seas, often believing they were signs from the gods or omens of disaster. Today, we know it's pure science, bioluminescence. But that doesn't make it any less spectacular. To witness it in person feels like walking inside a dream.
In western Venezuela, there is a place where lightning never stops. Over Lake Maracaibo, the sky comes alive with storms almost every single night of the year. This event, known as Catatumbo lightning, produces up to 280 lightning strikes per hour and can last for as long as 10 hours at a time. The storms are so consistent that sailors once used them as a natural lighthouse to guide their way through the waters. For centuries, locals believed the gods were sending fire from the heavens. But science tells us it's the perfect combination of warm winds, humidity, and the unique geography of the lake that creates this endless light show. Watching it from the shore is like standing under nature's own fireworks, night after night.
Deep inside the Amazon rainforest, far away from the nearest volcano, there is a river that defies explanation. Its waters are so hot that steam rises constantly, and small animals that fall into it can be boiled alive within minutes. Locals call it Sinead Timpishka, which means boiled with the heat of the sun. For a long time, explorers thought this was only a legend. But when scientists finally reached it, they confirmed the river is real, and it's one of the only boiling rivers on Earth not located near volcanic activity. The current theory is that underground geothermal energy heats the water before it reaches the surface. Standing by the river with mist rising into the jungle air feels like stepping into another planet.
In one of the hottest and driest deserts on Earth, a mystery puzzled scientists for decades. Huge stones, some weighing hundreds of pounds, appear to move across the desert floor completely on their own. They leave behind long trails in the cracked ground, as if something invisible is pushing them. For years, nobody could explain it. Theories ranged from aliens to magnetic fields. Finally, researchers discovered the truth. During rare winter nights, a thin sheet of ice forms under the rocks. When the sun rises, the ice begins to crack and slide, and strong desert winds slowly push the stones across the valley floor. The process is almost invisible to the human eye, but over time the movement becomes undeniable. It's a perfect example of how patient and mysterious nature can be.
In the icy white wilderness of Antarctica, there is a waterfall that looks like it is bleeding. Known as Blood Falls, this bizarre natural wonder pours out crimson red water from the heart of a glacier. At first glance, it looks terrifying, as though the ice itself is wounded. For decades, scientists were baffled by its color. Today, we know the answer lies in iron-rich water trapped beneath the ice for millions of years. When this water finally escapes and meets the oxygen in the air, it oxidizes, turning deep red, just like rust. It's not blood at all, but it is one of the most dramatic sights on Earth, a river of red, cutting through a land of white.
From glowing oceans to lightning that never stops, from rivers that boil to stones that mysteriously move, our planet is full of secrets waiting to be discovered. These 5 phenomena remind us that Earth is not just our home, it's also a place of magic, wonder, and endless mystery. Which of these natural wonders amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories about the strange and incredible world we live in.